Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can write your first program using text edit and then using Intellij as well. So first thing I'll do is I'll search for text edit. Once this is open, I'll click on new document. Here I'll click on format, click on make plain text, and now I'll start typing my code. So I'll increase the size of this window. Now I'll say public class hello world, press tab, say public static void main string arguments, also System.out.println hello world, press tab. Now here you need to make sure that this P is in small. You can save this file now. I'll save it on my desktop and name the file as HelloWorld.java. So now you can see on my desktop a file has been created, HelloWorld.java. Here as of now you don't have to worry about what is the meaning of public static void. We will go through this in upcoming video. As of now, whatever we give inside these brackets will get printed onto the console. So right now hello world will get printed onto the console. And to execute a class, it needs to have a main method. So right now you can see hello world is the class and it has a main method inside this, which means I can execute this. So I'll open up my terminal. Here I'll minimize it and then I'll change directory. I'll say cd desktop because I've saved my helloworld.java file on my desktop. Now I'll say ls. ls will list the files that are present. ls will list the files and directories that are present on my desktop. So right now you can see only one file is there. Now I can compile my code. So I'll say java hello world.java. Now you can see a class file has been created. This is the file that gets executed in Java. So when I say java hello world, this is the file that's getting executed, and you can see whatever we gave inside the quotes is getting printed onto the console. So I can change this message as well. So I can go here and change it to something different. So I can say welcome to my channel, save this file again, and now if I run it again, you can see hello world is still getting printed. The reason hello world is still getting printed is because I haven't compiled my file. I again have to say java c hello world.java. Once this is done, if I execute now the updated message will get printed. You can see welcome to my channel. This is getting printed. And now even if I close this file, delete the .java file, delete it from the bin as well. If I execute hello world again, you can see the output will still get printed. So you can see welcome to my channel is still getting printed. So it is actually the class file that gets executed. So now we will move on to Intellij, and I'll show you how you can create a project in Intellij and write your first program as well. Now I'll open up my Intellij. So I'll search for Intellij ID. It should look something like this. Here you have to click on new project and give the name as hello world. So I'll say hello world. So here you can give the desktop location, click on language Java, build system Intellij. You have to select Java 1.8 and click on create. Once you click on create, you can see hello world project has been created. All the code that we write it inside src folder. Src is known as source. So here we will right click it, go to Java class, and then name the file as hello world. Now this code is already coming, so we will say public static void main string arguments, and here we will just print. So we will say System.out.println hello world. Now to run it, I can click here and click on run, and you will see the output hello world will get printed onto the console here. So earlier I told you that it is the class file that gets executed. So to find class file, you can go to out, and here is the hello world.class file, and in src you can see the hello world.java file. So this is the file that's getting executed. You can see the same file structure on the desktop as well. So you can go inside src, and here is the hello world.java file. In out you will have the compiled file. So you can see hello world.class file. This class file is the one that's getting executed. So I can update this message as well. I can say welcome to gateway to coding. I can run it by clicking from here. I can click here to rerun it, and now you will see the output welcome to gateway to coding will get printed. So what is the benefit of using IDE? IDE gives you boilerplate code. So instead of typing all this, I could have just said that I need a main method. So I can just simply say main and hit enter, and now you can see a main method has been created. Instead of typing System.out.println, I can just simply say SOUT and hit enter, and now you can see System.out.println has been inserted. So I can say hello, execute it. This time I'll execute it by clicking here, and you can see hello is getting printed. So this is how you can set up Java and execute your first program on your machine.